are tracking Echo India.
Good afternoon, Chap 103 Foxtrot, maintaining flight level 170.
And we're about to
103 Foxtrot, Melbourne, good day.
put our lives in the hands of the approach chart.
Yep. King Island, there's
3873,
hardly any terrain.
Good day.
Flinders Island,
when
yes,
ready,
there are some mountains.
130.
King Island, there's hardly any terrain.
130, 3873.
Center Bravo Romeo Papa, landed and clear, cancel, Devonport. Bravo Romeo Papa, Devonport, salvage terminated, good day.
Yep, very soon will break out. Yep, 2500.
Yep, I can see the ground.
Jetstar 753, minute tracking for you.
So there's no showers in the area, so...
Ahead, Jetstar 753. Jetstar 753, can expect the RNP Zulu runway 32 left. And from Mimim, you're re-cleared to LREL, done via Launceston Sierra Alpha. When ready, descend to flight level 250.
That's fantastic, isn't it?
Yep.
Popping out so low.
Runway 32 left from Mimim, direct LREL, then Sierra Alpha. When ready, descend flight level 250, just past 753.
So we should be heading straight at it now.
We'll make a right turn at Echo India.
Okay.
Uniform Zulu Yankee, contact me 130843. Solid Center, good day again, Uniform Zulu Yankee, maintaining heading.
And the aircraft's going to fly the descent?
Yep.
Killing 88 Delta, climb to flight level 180. Flight level 180, killing 88 Delta.
Yep, this will give you the perspective.
Okay, yep.
Yeah, so this is the final turn.
C1323, go ahead. C1323, cleared Resi 1 Alpha, arrival runway 27, maintain flight level 360. Cleared Resi 1 Alpha, arrival 27,
so now we'll
360.
fly the 329.
So you don't have to change that top altitude?
Time 02
no, this is the go-around altitude now.
Public speed.
So now it's captured mark.
Flight
Flight path green and the aircraft is...
Killing 55 Delta, Devonport, cancel, Starwatch. 55 Delta, Devonport, Starwatch terminated.
I can see the runway.
King Island traffic, IFR Cirrus India except Bravo is 5 miles, final, runway 28, number 1, King Island.
King Island Aerodrome.
Trek Morgo. Trek Morgo, just 681.
So the stall speed of this aircraft is 61 knots.
Okay.
Kanwar traffic, Rex 3873 is a subway fire 25 miles to the north inbound on descent from flight levels. We're tracking for Australian approach, runway 28, fire 10 nautical mile final, estimating that position at 41. Kanwar.
Sharp 103 Foxtrot Center. Sharp 103 Foxtrot, go ahead. Sharp 103 Foxtrot, can expect the RNP Zulu runway 3 to left at Launceston. You're cleared direct to NODAS, then via Launceston Sierra.
So you run manual
maintain flight level 170.
Oh, no, not yet.
Okay.
Clear direct to NODAS, 170 Sierra Charlie, maintain flight level 170, Sharp 103 Foxtrot.
It's 753 left level.
Minimums.
Continue. Sir, final approach speed is 80 knots.
Yep.
King Island traffic, IFR Cirrus India except Bravo, short final, runway 28 number 1, full stop, King Island.
Beautiful.